Hey guys, it's my official video here and I'm all alone. Mag-isa lang ako sa bahay. Been cultivating some thoughts in my own shit. I'm tired, I'm exhausted, pero here goes. I'm here to speak to my thoughts and my future self by posting this video on YouTube again. And nothing, I'm just in a shit. Been talagang addicted na naman sa porn movies right now just to entertain myself and waiting for something to change pero ang hirap pa rin yung ganun. And most of the time I think na about to change, and somehow, like for example, my friend Sean, like my friend is parang na affect lang ako. I feel affected sa mga basta yun. I'm very in a rant, like I'm very static na naman over complicating things. I'm very alone and wala akong makausap. And I decided to, to express these feelings by video. And once again na parang ang sobrang ganda, sobrang refilling, relieving sa pakiramdam. Pero I think I should be journaling. I should be writing this down, no? And I should be writing down, but I preferred to this kind of medium para, and sometimes I really want to really have someone in my life and basta it's been rough and I'm trying to really accept what's going to happen in the future sa first sem in my life, and I'm scared. Natatakot ako. Natatakot ako mag-fail ulit, natatakot ako mapahiya ulit, natatakot ako to be alone again in the hallways of my campus and not to speak my heart, my voice. And not because I don't know, it's just because I'm very so complicated. And trying to be normal is something really exhausting, really something that I'm not capable of doing up until that moment of trying my best or striving to change in ways that I can be. I feel shit. I feel shit right now. I just hope that really I can get this feeling of pain, of this anxiety, of this worry out of my head. I'm just crying it out. Even though nakapag-release na ako ng dopamine and sitting here alone again in this home, I should be grateful. That's how it is, that I don't have to act my age. You know, I really know don't have to really act my age. And I really have to face the reality of not giving up, of doing better, of asking the right questions. Like, paano ba to? Paano ba to? I need help. I need guidance. I need my mom. I need my dad. I need, I need, I need, I need help. I need help. And that's life. That's really life. Comings and goings, and I'm trying to fixate my imagination by watching movies. And I can be better. I can be someone. I can be someone. And I really have what it takes to become better, to be a good son, to be a good brother, to be a good student, to be a good father, tito, pinsan, a friend, boyfriend, husband, someday. but I have to take one step at a time. One step at a time, Najin. And this is for you. And this is all for the random shits that's about to happen in the future. So don't hold yourself fucking back, Najin. I believe in you. Tayo lang mag-isa. Kaya natin to. Kayang-kaya natin to. You're not crazy. You're just you. You're just happy. You're just wanting you just want someone to understand you. And ang hirap. Ang hirap. Wow. So, yun. And I hope Happy New Year. Here's here's to the fucking 22 years old Nancy San Jose. Change is coming. Woo! Di ka baliw. You're just you. And I love you, Najin. I really love you. Peace.